Have you ever heard of Rosalind Franklin? She was a brilliant scientist whose work was key to discovering the structure of DNA, but for years, she didn't get the credit she deserved. In the early 1950s, Franklin used X ray diffraction to capture detailed images of DNA. One of those images, known as Photograph 51, was groundbreaking. It revealed clues about DNA's double helix shape. But without her knowledge or permission, her colleague, Maurice Wilkins, showed that photo to James Watson and Francis Crick. They used her data to build their famous DNA model, and her name was left out of the spotlight. Part of the reason was sexism in the scientific community. At the time, women in science were often dismissed or overlooked, no matter how talented they were. Franklin's careful, methodical research was presented as supporting work rather than as the foundation it truly was. The story got worse when James Watson published his book, The Double Helix. In it, he minimized Franklin's contributions and portrayed her in an unflattering light, shaping how the public remembered her role. Sadly, Rosalind Franklin died of cancer in 1958 at just 37 years old. 4 years later, Watson, Crick, and Wilkins received the Nobel Prize for discovering the structure of DNA. Because Nobel Prizes aren't awarded after someone's death, Franklin was never eligible. Today, many scientists and historians recognize that her work was essential to the discovery. Rosalind Franklin's precision, brilliance, and perseverance helped unlock the secrets of life itself. Her story reminds us that true credit should always go where it's due. Have you ever had an idea misattributed? Make sure you read my article, What to Do When Someone Takes Credit for Your Ideas at Work, at powerofpeacefulness.com.